We are here to go for Jaedon's swim lesson.
Another swim lesson.
Yeah, Jaedon's been having some summer swim classes. So we just arrived and we're gonna have a great time at the pool. Yay!
They have a swimming pool?
Yes, big pool and a small one, and then slide. And you're gonna be able to swim without the floaties very soon. You're learning all the tricks. Yeah? Let's go. You already have your goggles up there, I see.
Okay, Mr. Jaedon. Good. Good. Well done, sir. And foot. Move your hands down. That's it. All righty. Okay, Emmy. Turn around the other way.
You are. You're in the pool.
Go, 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 go. Run, 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 run. That's harder than swimming. Good. Okay. Now this time, you're going to run backwards. Can anybody run backwards? All right, come on, run backwards. Run, run, run. Lift your knees up. Lift your knees up. Run backwards. Emmy, keep your feet on the floor. Keep your feet on the floor. Run, 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 run. Good. Very nicely done. Keep coming, Judah. Ready, set, go. Swim across the pool. Go, 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 go. Swim, swim, swim. Good. Very nicely done. Now, Emmy, this is on the top of the water. Top of the water. So we're going to flip. We're going to push the water right here. Okay? Rise in and swim over here. You got to just go back. Okay, Jay. Keep your feet up if you can. Swim over there. Okay? Yeah, go this way. Put your goggles on, Judah. Okay, Jay. Put your eyes in. Well done, Grayson. Keep going. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. That's exactly how you do it. Okay, I need everybody over here with their back against the wall. Put your back against the wall. Come on over, Grayson. Come on over, Judah. Good, Millie. Okay, Jaedon, you coming through? All right, put your chin in. Lift, lift, lift. Good. Okay, Emmy. Okay, your feet. We go back. Kick, 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 kick. Woo, good. Hard work. Good job. Okay, kick, kick, kick. Grayson,
And I am having some matcha that Nozomi made me. Today is like a green theme for me. My nails are green, my drink is green, and my skirt is green. They both are learning, still trying to figure out how to share. Of course, whatever that Jaedon plays with gets Zane's attention. And now, oh, here you go. Here you go. Yeah, so whatever Jaedon is playing with, that's where Zane will go. What happened? What happened? Did you get an owie? That's not for you. Not for you. Just go over here. Yeah. So we are having some aloo parathas. I just made some potato parathas. Aloo is potato. So I made a filling with some potato, a little bit of onion, some spices in the dough. And then I made these. That's what we're having with some fried egg. And these pickles. It's a mixed pickle from the Indian grocery store. Spicy. Spicy. There's Zane. Yeah. And there is Jaedon eating his aloo paratha with some fried egg. Are you gonna be able to pick it up? You did it! Good job! There is Zane throwing his bottle everywhere, making a mess. So we came to the park, Jaedon and me. And Jaedon is swinging on the big boy swing. Flying. Are you having a good time? Yeah. Whoa! Whoa!
I turned on the camera.
It is, yeah, I can see you.
And you can see yourself.
Yeah. You're going from side to side. So I am getting a little arm workout, of course. Pushing this boy because he wants to fly so high. Okay, let's do it. So it's of course so much easier when I'm out with just one kid versus having them both. I left Zane at home with Nozomi and he's taking a nap, and Jaedon is playing, exploring, having a great time. Their energy, honestly, they can keep going all day, all day. Doesn't matter what activity I do with them, they can just keep going until it's night. Even then we have to force them to go to sleep. So, anyways, they're full of energy, never ending energy. And I'm just hanging out here now, and it's nice. There's a little breeze. It feels good in the shade, but out in the sun it's super hot now. He's calling me. Let's go see. Oh, you're gonna get down that pole? Do you remember? Let's see you. There he is. Wow, Jaedon. Slide little by little, little by little. Let go your hands, little by little. Good job. You did it. Good job, Jaedon. Oh, you okay? Good try.
Thank you. I did this.
Okay, let's see.
There's a baby.
Let's see how you do this one. Oh, can you make it? Oh, I think this one is like for bigger kids.
Yeah, it's for bigger kids.
I'll help you a little bit.
I'm gonna do that one and then that one. And then.
Let's see. Good job. Good one. Oh, good jump. Let's see. What did you see, Jaedon? There's one turtle. Big turtle. Where's the other one? Oh, there he is. Little baby turtle. So cute. Jaedon, ready to ride a scooter. No, that was not a good idea. Come, pick it up. There goes Jaedon. Good job.
This car is.
Yeah, that's good. That way. Now we are walking back and we're gonna go home and we're gonna eat some lunch. Jaedon is flying on his scooter. He took off. I'm chasing him, getting a little fast walk. Good exercise. Thank God there is breeze. There's a little breeze, so it feels good. What are you doing, Zane? Whoa, 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 whoa. Where are you going? Where are you going? Not now. We're not gonna ride it right now. You can just play with it. You can pull it. Pull it. Pull it around. Pull it, Zane. Yeah. Or push it. Good job. Or pull it. Yeah, good job. Here, what does this do? Pull it, Zany. Pull. Pull. Pull, 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 pull. Yeah, press that. This way. Yeah, ba. What you doing? Yeah, you're playing with it. Good job. Yeah, you play. Hey everybody. Today is June 10th, 2023, and it's Johnny's birthday. We are here. I surprised him for a kayak tour, so we're waiting for it.
Yeah, kayaks are right back here.
Back there, the Clear Kayaks. We're gonna do a little tour.
It's beautiful out here.
Yeah, it's very pretty.
It's very
So
nice.
we're looking forward to the tour.
Mm-hmm.
See what all we see.
Thanks,
we
baby.
You're welcome.
Unexpected.
Yeah, Johnny had no idea. I told him we were gonna get a pedicure.
But then she said, wear your swimming trunks. I was like, huh? Pedicure at the beach?
Pedicure at the beach, I said. We're gonna do a pedicure at the beach.
That didn't fly. Then I start suspecting.
Yeah.
And she surprised me.
So
Thought maybe it was swimming lessons with Jaedon.
So here we are. We're still waiting for the tour to begin. So we thought we'll just record a short video and we'll show you guys. It's very beautiful. So this is what it looks like. And let me show you the kayaks we're gonna be taking. These are the Clear Kayaks. So cool. What do you want to see today?
Ooh, dolphins.
Okay.
Swordfish.
Swordfish.
Oh, tarpon fish. I don't think they have that right.
Okay.
Big fish.
A big fish. Well, I caught a big fish sitting right there.
You seen them big?
Look at this, so beautiful. They have a really cool restaurant up here too.
I wonder how it is.
Yeah. beautiful location right on the water. I can hear a fish jump. I wonder if it's the same one we just saw a few seconds ago. This fish jumping up and down in the water. He's excited too. He's excited. He's gonna go on the tour with us. We are on the kayak now.
Yeah. Let's go explore.
Explore. So cool. So
Moon is
pretty.
out. Can get that.
No, I don't think it's gonna show. Look at the clear bottom. Kayaking our way to where? The Shell Key Islands.
Oh, that looks interesting over there. Little islands.
Let's go explore the island. There are other people behind. We are at the beach. We kayaked all the way to this little island. And we're gonna go see what's on the other side.
Yeah, if anything alive, leave it in the water though.
Go see. Wow. So beautiful. Let's see if he's gonna do that again. Happy birthday!
It was awesome. Thank
We
you,
made
baby.
it. We kayaked all the way, and now we are at this beautiful beach.
What's it called?
Shell Key. Shell Key.
Jelky. It's so nice.
We are here at the beach. We found a cool bar, grill, literally on the beach, and we'll be hanging out here. The babies are really happy because they get to play in the sand. So they're having a great time. And we have the sunset happening back there. This is the bar. So pretty. There they are, playing in the sand.
Look at his reaction. Touch it. Touch it.
Oh, look at Maple
Touch
digging.
it.
And Zane doesn't like
I
it.
like it today.
You're not liking it today? Oh, it doesn't feel good? Yeah, it's sand, Zane.
He's not liking it.
So beautiful.
Oh, yeah, get your foot. Get your foot. Good job, Dave.
But I mean no day from your life. I came back to let you know what you want to. You thought love, you had everything, but you don't give up.